Hey there, guys. Welcome back to the channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our amazing content. Today, I'm super excited to be bringing you a review of the 12 PCS Children 3D DIY Handmade Paper Cups Sticker Material Kit. This kit is an absolute game changer when it comes to keeping your little ones entertained and engaged in a constructive and creative way. Not only is this kit perfect for children over 3 years old, but it's also environmentally friendly, making it safe for your kids to use. The best part is that no scissors are required for this kit, making it super easy for children to operate all on their own. One of the things I love most about this kit is that it allows children to learn while they play. It engages their creativity and motor skills, all while keeping them entertained for hours on end. The package includes everything your child needs to get started on their creative journey, and the best part is that it's brand new and high quality. Now, I do want to mention that the role of the box is to protect the cups inside it from damage, so if it arrives a little wrinkled, don't worry, it's just from the transport. And also, please note that some countries' customs will return the package, so we have taken off the glue. Please prepare the glue by yourself. So, if you're looking for a fun and educational toy that will also keep your child engaged for hours on end, then this 12 PCS Children 3D DIY Handmade Paper Cups Sticker Material Kit is the perfect option for you. So, be sure to check out the link in the description to grab your own kit today. And don't forget to leave a comment down below and let us know what you think of this amazing product. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.